Starting to trade can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it's easy to get started. The first step is to educate yourself on the markets you're interested in trading. Read up on financial news, analyze charts, and learn about different trading strategies. Once you have a basic understanding of the market, choose a reliable broker like MiralFX Broker and open an account or open a demo account. Start small and create a plan for your trades, setting realistic goals and managing risk effectively. With practice and patience, anyone can become a successful trader. Training for beginners is available on MiralFX.com education menu. Good luck!